to make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen.
What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair, and I'm going to be reviewing a wig that they sent over, but first I'm just showing everything that came in the package that they sent. Some free goodies. So we have a wig cap, some lashes, an elastic band, makeup brush, notepad, bunch of goodies. So now we're going to go into actually unboxing the hair, and this is what it's looking like fresh out of the pack. This is the construction. There are 3 combs inside, an elastic band. This is a glueless unit, and you can see it is a 4x4 closure. This wig is 22 inches. It comes in a reddish brown color, and the texture is body wave, and the wig was just overall very breathable. There's silicone on the elastic band, so it just helps to make it non-slip for a very comfortable fit. You can see the install took me less than 5 minutes, so it's very easy to put on. The lace was undetectable. It does come pre-cut, so that makes it easier. Also, you could do additional cutting if you wanted to, but I just didn't feel that it was necessary. I just put some foundation on the lace. I didn't do any bleaching of the knots, and you can see it's so seamless. So as I mentioned, this wig was very easy to install, so we're just going to go ahead and get into that process. You can see I'm just doing the final touches as far as adjusting, and I'm going to be going in with a wax stick just to flatten out the roots and the top and making sure everything lays flat and looks as natural as possible. So you can see I'm using my bed head wax stick, and I'm just going ahead and I'm putting that on the top, the back, my edges, and I'm just going to be going in with a hot comb just to lay everything down. This is a more close-up view of the lace, and actually, what am I talking about? Because what lace? The lace on this wig is seriously so thin, and I just thought it looked so natural. Like, as you can see, I just go ahead and hot comb. You can just see how flat everything lays, and the lace just blends right into my skin. Like, literally, what lace? Because I don't see it. This is growing right out of my scalp. And for this to be a closure wig, I just felt like it looked so natural, and I decided to go the no baby hair route. And that just lets you know how good the quality of this wig and this hair really is, because if you know, you know. You can't do no baby hair with every single wig. Like, it's only certain ones, and I just feel like it really didn't need it, and I didn't have to do much else extra to texturize the hair. I just kind of left it how it came. And this wig really just looked good on its own. I can honestly say that. It was super soft. You can see I just kept playing in it, kept running my hands through it. And you can see it held the natural curl pretty well. It really didn't need anything extra done to it. I was seriously in love with this hair. Like, look at this. Are you kidding me? Little Mermaid who? The color pops. It's just such a nice texture, so soft. The quality is so good. And I really did just fall in love with this wig. And look at this. Like, are you kidding me? It just disappeared. Like, I know y'all saw that. So that is it for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you check out Unice Hair. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Just afraid they'd abandon you. So you abandoned them. You distanced yourself